Hello and welcome to the Ace Pro tutorial as to how to remove vinyl from a car. First off, you want to clean your working area with a soft microfiber cloth. Next, you want to use a hot air gun or a hairdryer to melt the adhesive between the vinyl and the body panel. Apply just enough heat in order to melt the adhesive. Too much heat can result in damaged paintwork. You may be left with some sticky residue. To get rid of this, use glue remover or a solvent spray. Here we are using 3M. Spray the affected area and wipe away with a microfiber cloth. You may have to repeat this process if the glue still remains. There we go, a completely clean surface. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up and remember to subscribe.